under the moonlit sky, by the warm embrace of the campfire. Let us embark on a journey into the world of dreams. Our friend, the sleepy owl, invites you to close your eyes and listen to a tale woven with stardust and moonbeams. As the campfire crackles, imagine a magical forest where dreams take flight. Follow the gentle glow of fireflies through the pages of our sleepy time story, where each word is a whisper from the night. As our story softly concludes, feel the coziness of your campsite, surrounded by the hush of nature. Let the warmth of the fire and the gentle night sounds guide you into the sweetest dreams.